Number 287. A car rental company charges $29 per day plus 15 cents per mile. Karen wants to rent a car for 2 weeks. Her budget is $800. What is the maximum number of miles she can drive without exceeding her budget? So let's set up an inequality. So we know the daily cost of renting a vehicle is $29 per day. And we know that she wants to rent the car for 2 weeks, which is 14 days. So that's one aspect of the cost of renting this vehicle, 29 times 14. The second part of the charge is 15 cents per mile. So that's 0.15 times the number of miles, which will be M. And the total cost, we do not want it to exceed 800. It could be less than 800 or equal to, but not greater than. So that is the inequality that we can set up. That's how we can turn this problem into a mathematical statement. So now we got to solve for M. What is the maximum number of miles that she can drive without exceeding her budget? So first, let's multiply 29 by 14, and that is 406. Next, we can subtract both sides by 406. So these will cancel. We can bring that down. We're going to have 0.15 M is less than or equal to 800 minus 406 is 394. Now let's divide both sides by 0.15. So M is less than or equal to 394 divided by 0.15 will give us 2,626.6 repeated. So the answer is going to be D. It's not going to be 2627. We don't need to round up because that would exceed her budget. It will be just over 800. So we need to round down. So the maximum number of miles that she can drive without exceeding her budget is 2,626 miles.